Let's take a look at some current AI products that are in use right now. On the left column, we've got ChatGPT, Claude, and Bard. ChatGPT is by OpenAI, Claude is by Anthropic, and Bard is a Google product. All of these are what we call large language models, and we've defined that earlier. Basically, large language models are textual manipulation, artificial intelligence products. They rely on a large database of text to make grammatical inferences from how syntax works in English, and you can ask it questions and it will do its best attempt based on the information that it currently has to answer that question. These are primarily used for text-based inputs and things like that. The top two in the middle, Midjourney and DALL-E 2, these are image generation AI. And so you can give it a textual prompt like, give me a sailboat on the ocean on a sunny day, and it will do its best to create an image that looks like that based on the images that it has seen in the past and the descriptions that were given of those images, and based on its data set. On the right at the top, you've got two other AI products, 11 Labs and PlayHT. Both of these are audio types of AI. 11 Labs can take textual input and mimic a human voice in the process of trying to render that text to speech. Sometimes you have to make some adjustments in order to get things pronounced right, but for the most part it sounds like a human being is dictating whatever text is put in. There are some different tiers of access that you have there, and one of the highest paid tiers on there allows you to upload clips of your own voice, and you can have 11 Labs simulate entire paragraphs and lectures and things like that from text as if it were you speaking. PlayHT allows you to create some audio, music, things of that nature. And so those are two audio-based AI that can generate and create AI based on textual inputs there. Sora and Synesthesia are the two down at the bottom that we have outstanding, haven't talked about yet. Sora is an open AI product, and so it's in the same family as DALL-E and ChatGPT, but its job is to produce video, and again you give it textual prompts and it will render video accordingly. Right now it does really short video. I think it's like maybe 20 seconds to a minute, but in the future these AI type video products may be able to create longer videos based on textual prompts. Synesthesia is in the same kind of family. It can take textual prompts and create video as well. So those are just some of the current AI products that are in use right now. Let's talk a little bit about AI products in education. So a big thing that instructors are using AI for right now is plagiarism detection, and you can see two products here, SafeAssign, and that is a Blackboard exclusive product. Turnitin is a little bit more general. It works in several different learning management systems, or LMSs. And when students upload work to an instructor can use these products to detect plagiarism on the part of the student if they've tried to submit work that someone else has done, or take someone else's published work and claim that it was their own. And so these are tools that English departments My institution, the English department uses Turnitin, and periodically they catch students trying to take the easy route with their education. You also have Grammarly. Grammarly is a grammar and spelling help. It can read your text and make suggestions for spelling corrections, for punctuation, missing commas, capitalization, spacing, things like that. Grammarly is very useful. I've been in talks with people from Grammarly about getting Grammarly for students at my own institution, and currently I'm a student in a doctoral program, and they provide Grammarly, and it's just been a very valuable help in the writing that I have to do for my courses. Some other products in education, you've got student service chatbots, and a lot of different colleges and universities are using these to help students with admission, with course registration, with getting transcripts, knowing where to go on the institution websites, and those kind of things. You can kind of see here there's an example of a virtual chatbot that kind of guides a student around based on the prompts that it receives. There's some more applications with AI in education, and let's go through some of these. Transcription of faculty lectures. There's AI available today where an instructor can upload an audio or video lecture, and in just a few minutes it can have a transcription of that lecture. There are programs online where you can upload video, and it will very quickly create closed captions of that video, since accessibility is a concern, a lot of institutions are trying to make sure that all of their instructor lectures are transcribed. So that's a use of AI. It prevents an instructor from having to hire somebody to manually listen to lectures and transcribe those kind of things. There's enhanced online discussion boards. Generally, students have to do several discussion posts depending on the online course, and AI can facilitate those discussions. It can bring up different topics. It can slant the discussion one way or another depending on the material that you're trying to cover, and so those are of interest to instructors in the future as well. Analyzing student success metrics. AI can do a lot of things that it might take humans a little bit more time to do. Running statistics, running mathematical analyses, and you can come up with statistics for first generation students, for the number of DFWs in a particular section of a class or in a particular class, regardless of instructor, and things like that, and just get some good data for your institution as far as the kinds of things that are going on in your institution from students, from courses, from admissions and registrations and things like that. Academic research. This is an important topic for doctoral students, for professors that have to routinely create academic research for their institution and things like that. Uploading journals to AI and getting it to summarize very quickly. Those kind of things are valuable for academic research, and I'm sure will be used more and more in the future. Connected campuses. If you've got campuses with multiple sites or even off-site instructional locations where you teach, but it's not necessarily a campus. AI can allow those campuses to be connected through video chatting apps, through communication and things like that. And this can help a sparse campus to feel closer together and more like home. Finally, automated grading is one area where AI shines. And as an instructor, I have the ability to use several third-party textbook manufacturers that can grade student assignments on their website and then automatically return those results to my learning management system, or LMS.